What's up, everyone? Welcome to another episode of Everyday Apple Living, your guide to living with Apple every day. I'm your host, Jack, and in this episode, we're going to talk about why the MagSafe Clear Case broke. By broke, I mean cracked. This was after literally one drop from the desk, hit the floor, and it cracked. Now, for $50, you think it would be slightly higher quality, slightly not crack, but there we are. And it's not just me who had this problem. Apparently, if you Google MagSafe Clear Case cracking or MagSafe Clear Case break, you'll see that between 2020 and 2022, we still have this problem. So it's been 2020, 2021, 2022. It's been 3 years ever since the MagSafe Clear Case debuted and it cracking. And it's not just people on Google either. From my MagSafe Clear Case unboxing, a lot of the comments talk about how when people first got theirs, they dropped it or something happened, it was immediate crack. So basically, it seems like Apple hasn't worked out the kinks yet as to how to create clear MagSafe cases that don't break upon first drop from the desk. Or it doesn't have to be from the desk either. Maybe you drop it from your pocket, you know? Maybe it accidentally slips from your pocket and hits the floor. And I do want to say as well, my girlfriend got a $5 clear case for her iPhone 11 Pro Max that she got off the streets of Thailand, for example, and she's dropped her phone from waist height many times, and that iPhone case has never broken, has never cracked. It might just be that this plastic case is too rigid, maybe, and not as pliable why it cracked, you know? And this is just benign compared to what other people's cracks have shown as well. Sometimes it would crack the whole side or the back or something from what I've seen on YouTube and on Google. If for whatever reason you still want the clear case even after all of this, you can also watch my unboxing of the MagSafe Clear Case. I'm going to put the link right here in the top corner. You can click on that, and I'm also going to include the link in the description below. Make sure you watch that if you're still not sold on the cracking problem. Honestly, if we are to get really candid about this, I think one of the reasons why the MagSafe Clear Case cracks so easily is because of COVID, and it's probably because from the factories that make this that Apple uses out of China, they haven't really quite perfected the machine process yet because, 2020 COVID hit, so between 2020 and 2022, the factories are still either dealing with shutdowns, COVID issues, or just supply and materials gathering, quality control issues. That's what I'm assuming at least, and it might take them a couple more years of people complaining before they fix the issue or work out the kinks and stuff. I'm basically going to assume that between 2020 and 2024, we're probably going to continue facing supply issues and quality control issues regarding clear cases from Apple. So I would put in that caveat that I'll probably just wait till 2025 to get better clear MagSafe cases for my future iPhones. Unless this is just going to be a perpetual problem forever. I don't know, but for $50, I think there might be better cases out there. Maybe a cheap $5 to $10 clear case, and then you put a magnet on yourself. Or you get a $20, $25 case, or an Otter case, or maybe some other case that's not $50 that has the MagSafe magnets now in 2022-2023 era, you know? There was over a 1.5 year gap between the MagSafe Clear Case unboxing video and this video, and that's because I had an apartment fire, so I'm really just starting to get back into the swing of making these YouTube videos regarding Apple products. So please give a like for the video, for the effort, and also subscribe to the channel. Make sure you turn the notification bell on so you get notified when new videos are released. Let me know in the description below if you are going to get the MagSafe Clear Case. Also, let me know if this video actually helped you not get the clear case because of all the crack issues. If you are still sold on the clear case for whatever reason, all the cracks don't bother you because you always work in a situation where you never drop it from desks, you never drop it from your pockets, etc., and you still want to get it, please use my Amazon affiliate link in the description below. It doesn't cost extra to you. I might make a commission off of it, help to support the channel and make more videos. Thank you as always for watching Everyday Apple Living, your guide to living with Apple every day. Peace! Now that I think about it, this video probably could have been titled like, Apple has a crack issue, or like, the crack problem with iPhone, but maybe that's for another video.